The stairs that once led people from the end of Wood Ave in Sandwich to Cape Cod Bay look like a pile of lumber after the blizzard of 2013 slammed into the Cape Cod Bay coastline on Friday and Saturday. Water from the frigid bay rushed onto shore and slammed into the fragile dunes, leaving some of the dune line exposed. Here you can see significant sized cracks at the bottom of these dunes.
My name is Diane Palermo, and I live right up the street in Town Neck. And this beach is a beautiful beach, but it's changing more and more every time a storm comes through here. It's wiping away all these dunes here. And this storm yesterday breached and went straight through there, so that all fell down there. So that went straight through to the marsh where that is all fallen over. And that was high dunes. This whole area right here, you used to have to crawl over these rocks. So this, from here to there, was all dunes. So to get over to this side, you have to crawl over those rocks. So that's how much this opened from this storm right now.
That's how much that opened?
How much the beach got wider, yes. It's huge. It looks like a major beach now, where it was more dunes and a small beach, sandy area. And now it's just blown open.